Hi, hello, Carlo Diquito. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. God bless you always and also to your family. Greetings from your Lady Fierce Solo Rider.
Hi Carlo Diquito, happy birthday. Good health always. Ang mag-ingat ka palagi. This is Apps Ventures. Thank you sa support. Bye-bye. RS.
Hi, Carlo Diquito. Ayan, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good health. At mag-ingat ka lagi from Mars.
Hi, Carla Dequito. Happy birthday! Invited ba ako sa handaan, charot? Hope we can ride soon. And this is Ate Lash Moto. Ride safe.
Hi Carlo Digito, happy birthday, ride safe always, and sana magbumi ang negosyo mo. Huwag ka mag-alala, susuportan kita sa small business mo. Thank you!
Hi Carlo, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I hope to see you soon. God bless.
Yun, happy birthday pala sa iyo, Sir Carlo. Thank you sa palaging pagsuporta sa aking page. Mag-ingat ka palagi. I hope na marami pang blessings na darating sa iyo. Marami pang magagandang pangyayari na mangyari sa buhay mo. I hope magkita tayo soon at mag-iingat ka palagi. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Hello, Carlo Diquito! I just want to greet you a happy birthday and congratulations kasi ikaw yung napili ko na manalo ng Evo helmet natin na galing mismo kay Boss Hammerman last January nung pag Mindanao tour nila. So excited na talaga akong mapasayo to, mapadala sa iyo at magamit mo kasi alam ko napaka-deserve mo at ng tatay mong magkaroon ng Evo helmet. Kasi alam ko napakalaking tulong nito and very inspiring yung message at comment mo, kaya ikaw yung napili ko. So sana ingatan mo yung Evo helmet ko kasi alam mo, napaka-importante nun sa akin. And happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday at magandang kalusugan. So sana magkita tayo soon. So sobrang solid ka talaga na supporter ni Lady Rider Lisa. Kaya thank you. God bless. Happy birthday.